Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, Cali from 360nails and I have come up with easy summer nail art designs for you guys. The link for Cali's video will be available on the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. As always, I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat to my natural nails. Then I'm letting each layer to dry before applying another. Then for my index, ring, and pinky nail, I'm applying 1 coat of white nail polish. Then for my middle and thumbnail, I'm applying a holographic glitter top coat. For the first design, it will be a palm tree. So I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails because the next thing that I'm going to do is a gradient. I'm applying the shades yellow, orange, and pink on a cosmetic sponge. Now I'm dabbing it onto my nail. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. Now let's peel off the liquid latex. Then I'm doing the cleanup with a brush dipped with nail polish remover. To seal in the gradient, I'm applying top coat. After letting it to dry completely, I am now painting a palm tree with black acrylic paint. Next design is a watermelon slice. I am painting a triangular shape with a curved base on my nail using a white acrylic paint. Then I'm filling it in with white. Then after that, I'm painting the curve with dark green. Then a lighter shade of green. After that, I'm using 2 different red nail polish shades for the watermelon. Then I'm blending the 2 shades together. After letting it to dry, I'm applying a white paint in the middle of the lighter green shade and the red shade. Now let's add the 3 seeds. Then I added more details to the seeds I painted. For the third design we have is the beach. I'm doing another gradient with nude, light blue, and deep blue. Then repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. Then let's do the cleanup. After that, I'm applying top coat. To make the seafoam effect, get some room temperature water on a container and add a drop of white nail polish, then get an isopropyl alcohol with a sprayer, and then spray it onto the nail polish. As you can see, it's now scattered just like this. Now dip your nail in and make sure you have a stick to gather the other nail polishes so that the rest won't stick on your nail. After that, do the cleanup with a brush dipped with nail polish remover. Now I'm painting an orange starfish. Next design is a Lifesaver. I'm doing another gradient with light blue and deep blue. After doing the cleanup, I'm applying top coat. Once that dries, paint a half circle shape like this. Then let's add the red details. And the last design is the rainbow umbrella. I'm painting an umbrella shape with white acrylic paint. Now I'm painting it with the colors of the rainbow. After all of that, I added a black outline. And after painting all of those 5 designs and letting them to dry completely, apply a thick coat of glossy top coat. And there you guys have it. By the way, I forgot to add that tip detail on the top of the umbrella, and I only realized it after sealing everything in with top coat, so I added it after all of that. Which from the 5 designs is your favorite? If you want to recreate this look, never forget to tag me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. To give this video lots of love, kindly hit like. Share this video to your awesome friends. And subscribe to more videos just like this. Don't forget to watch more on my channel. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!